In busy kitchens, flexibility matters. That's exactly what the VITO VM battery delivers. The trusted VITO oil filtration system is now cordless. Powered by its rechargeable battery, it gives you maximum mobility around the kitchen. Let's take a closer look at the device. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The instructions, heat-protected gloves, the battery, the charger for the battery, a drip tray, the filter box, and the top part of the unit, and 10 spare filters to get started with. Now let's get the VITO VM battery ready for filtration. Make sure to charge the battery before the first use. It takes around an hour to have it fully charged. First, insert a filter paper into the unit. Make sure that the wings are overlapping. Now close the lid and attach the electrical unit. Slide the battery onto the unit, place it in the hot frying oil, press start and let it run for 4.5 minutes. VITO removes suspended particles and bitter substances from your frying oil before they burn and damage the oil. That way you can save up to 50% of frying oil while keeping consistent food quality. After the cycle, VITO stops automatically, leaving your oil clean and ready to use. You can directly move the unit to the next fryer or store it for the next use. The VM battery can perform at least 3 filtration cycles in a row until it needs to be charged again. One filter paper can be used for up to 10 filtration cycles, depending on your operation. You know it's time to change the filter when there's no more movement on the oil surface. All of this has been hiding in our oil and slowly destroying the quality. Now we can just throw it in the trash. Our oil is safe. When changing the filter paper, it's the perfect time to clean your machine. The filter box can go straight in the dishwasher or can be rinsed manually in the sink. Simply wipe the electrical unit with a damp cloth. After that, insert a new filter paper, reassemble the unit and it's ready to go. With VITOconnect, you can track usage and get full transparency of your oil management at any time. With your VITO VM battery, you get professional oil filtration and maximum flexibility. Upgrade your kitchen today.